Well, went out hunting this morning, got a squirrel, and hopefully I'm gonna show you how to catch, cook it, and clean it. Catch, clean, cook it. Alright, let's do it. I've only cleaned like one squirrel and I went really bad, so hopefully it works this time and I can show you. Alright, hopefully y'all can see this well. You're gonna wanna cut right along there, like right there, and then you're gonna, I'll show you. Here we go. Hold it up. Oh, whoops. Right there behind the butt. Gosh, it's tough. What I'm gonna do is just cut a little bit more on the side. Cut right there. On the little thighs, cut down a little bit. Alright, got that. Went outside because don't want to get everything. After you got this flap of skin out, you're gonna wanna, oh crap, I need to cut just a little bit more. Okay, one of the good flap, and put shoe on it. Sure the squirrel walks straight. Keep push down. And you see, right now I'm getting the skin. Well, I guess it looks like I shot the inside. And keep pulling. Keep pulling. Then for the rest of this, oh, that's nasty. You just wanna cut. Alright guys, I got done skinning. It's only my second time. I feel like I did pretty good for my second time, so yeah. At least I got his front legs. Hopefully it turns out. And while you're in the process of skinning, whenever you pull it to the front legs, cut down on the front legs, or sometimes if you just pull some, the legs will come off by themselves, which happened to me. And and here's the legs. I'll show you me washing them off and stuff. Here's the back legs. Probably I'll skin the rest of this off. And skin. Whenever you're done skinning the legs, pretty much just cut along the white and the pink. And you want to cut these feet off, right here at the joint. When you're done getting all the legs and stuff, the feet off, what you want to do next is get these little back straps off. You want to cut along, like right against the skin, but not on the meat. Right against the skin.